Natural gas conversion instructions for Prokan Pro Elite gas grill. Make sure all gas source is disconnected before beginning the conversion for safety purpose. Remove the 7 screws attached to the rear heat shield panel. Use the wrench provided to remove the propane rear burner orifice and replace with the natural gas orifice. Put the rear heat shield panel back in place. Remove the cooking grids and flame tamers. Remove the main burners. Use the tool provided to turn and remove the propane main burner orifices. Main burner natural gas orifices are with 1.5 marking. Install the main burner natural gas orifices. Make sure all the gas source is disconnected before beginning the conversion process. Install the main burners back. Make sure the gas collector box is facing the bottom when installed. Remove the control knobs and use the flathead tool to make 2 counterclockwise turns. Put the control knobs back on. Put the cooking grids and flame tamers back in place. Remove the door and butterfly wing bolt. Install the natural gas regulator on the bracket. Make sure the arrow is toward the right side. Install the natural gas regulator kit on the bottom panel. Remove the propane regulator. Install the natural gas regulator connection hose. Pass the 10 feet natural gas hose through the bottom of the rear side. Connect the natural gas hose on the regulator. Make sure all the connections are tight without leakage. Conversion instructions for side griddle burner if your grill has it. Remove the electric wire from the griddle burner valve. Remove the griddle burner hose. Remove the cast iron griddle to remove the griddle burner. Remove the side griddle burner valve. Replace with the natural gas side griddle burner valve including in the conversion kit. Install the griddle burner back in place. Connect the electric wire and hose back to the valve. Connect the hose to the household pipe.